Hey y'all, it's Betsy
and Cameron,
and today we have a fun video for you. I actually got in 2 of my subscription box. I got in my Boxycharm Premium and my Bibbidi Boppidi box. This is my first Disney box. Now this came in a couple of days ago, but I haven't filmed over here in a couple of days, so we'll open this up. But this is the April 2020 Boxycharm Premium box. Yes. Okay, I had to open it up. I did cut the little plastic part off of it. So you open her up and she looks like this. Then you get a little card that tells you what's inside.
don't look.
Well, no, I'm gonna pull out the products and I want you to tell people what the retail prices of them are.
Okay.
So the first thing I pull out is a Becca Luminous Blush. Where's that on there?
Right here. It's $34.
I love Becca products. And that is a pretty colored blush. Let's go ahead and swatch that.
That's expensive.
So it's a pretty color. Okay, so we got a Becca blush. That is already almost the cost of the box because the box costs $35 for the premium box. But I wanted to see if it was worth it, and I may continue to get both. So the next thing I have is a Juice Beauty Phyto Pigments Liquid Lip.
It is $24 and it's a lip balm.
It's a lip balm.
Right here.
Oh, that's a pretty color too. That is definitely a summer color. Oh, I like the way that feels. I like that color. The shade I got is called Apple. 09 Apple. So I like that. It feels, I don't know, I'm just used to liquid lips being bigger than that too, but still, we'll see how that goes. Then the next thing I'm grabbing is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club. This is a mascara. What does it retail for?
$26 and it's a lash.
Yes, so it's a mascara. So I'm not going to open this up till I'm ready to use it because I do have a couple of mascaras open, but we're interested in seeing this. This is supposed to be a volume and length mascara. Next up, I have the Phyto
That is $69.
Age Away Replenishing Cream. Awesome sauce.
It's made with 11
Ingredients?
yeah,
Okay.
organic plant active and anti-aging solution.
I'm excited to try that. Almost out of a moisturizer. I also got a Pharmacy Honey Potion.
That's $38. And it's a honey face mask.
I've been wanting to try Pharmacy. I haven't tried Pharmacy before. So this is a good way to try it, and I love face masks.
And it's spelled with an F.
If I could open it up. Well, it's pharmacy like as in farm and pharmacy joined together.
I did it.
It has the little spatula thingy. So, oh, it's,
Whoa.
it's magnetized. I get excited over the little thing. The jar is adorable. Let's smell this. I like that that's magnetized.
Because you won't lose it.
Yep. It doesn't really smell like anything.
It's just kind of...
But I'm sure excited to try it because it is a renewing and antioxidant hydrating mask. My skin feels like it's getting drier by the day. But the Bibbidi Boppidi box is honestly what I'm more excited about out of these two. Oh, there's one more thing in here.
Oh.
So these are Opulent Beauty makeup brushes.
Oh, it's $40. And it's a full-size, ultra-soft, multi-free, crystal clear brush.
So the brushes are... Oh, they're nice and soft.
Yeah.
I'm excited to play with those. Awesome.
And it's clear on the bottom.
Yeah, they look really nice. So I'm definitely excited. I'm especially excited for the Pharmacy Honey Potion. And I'm excited to try the Phyto Replenishing Cream. The blush is a gorgeous color. So all in all, I think it was a good box. Definitely worth the $35 in my opinion.
You got a lot of...
And I didn't get any repeats from what was in my regular Boxycharm. Okay, so now it's for the Bibbidi Boppidi box. I saw this all over Instagram and I was excited to try this. Now I did get the premium box. This retails for $119, but you get a lot of good items in this.
Hopefully.
And shipping on it is $7.99. I paid for all these boxes myself, but you're supposed to get like a lounge fly item and all that kind of stuff, so I was super excited to try it. So that's what she looks like. So as I pull out, you'll be able to tell me what's in here.
Okay.
So first thing I got is that Bio World. Oh,
No, it's marble. It's the Dark Phoenix embroidery hat, and it retails for $24.99, and line total is $24.99.
so a Dark Phoenix hat. I won't wear it, but Nadia will probably enjoy it because she likes hats. Next up, I think is a. Oh, this is awesome. I know this is probably gonna go to Caitlin.
What is it? What's a backpack?
It's a Star Wars Loungefly backpack, and it is the Stormtrooper and Kylo Ren. He is going to freak out over this, and these retail for about 60 bucks.
Yeah.
So, awesome. So that's gonna go to Caden. Next up, I got a Disney Zoom Zoom collectible pen pack, and it's Star Wars.
And that goes for about 30 bucks.
So again, these will probably go to Caden because he is obsessed with Star Wars. So we got, I'm not sure who that little dude is.
I don't know.
Then we got someone with a scar. Again, I don't know.
That's a snow trooper. I know.
So we got a snow trooper.
I think. I don't. That's just like a stormtrooper.
I don't think that's a stormtrooper.
Or
He's got a
it's-
different
I
mask.
don't know.
And then some blue thing.
Yeah. We don't know Star Wars at all.
I found something Cameron's gonna love.
It's an Elvis Stitch keychain going for $10.
Awesome. And then last but not least in the box is some Kingdom Hearts liner socks. So I will definitely be giving those to Caden too because he's obsessed with Kingdom Hearts.
Goes for about $14.
So there's two different styles. So yeah, super duper excited for all this. I think it was worth it. So let's see. Total retail value of the box is $124.97. So just a little bit more than what I paid for it. So, but again, I'm excited, and
It's not like you can just get this so easy.
yeah, you can't just get this everywhere. So I guess that's it. We will see y'all on Monday.
Bye.
Bye.